There are lessons no one teaches you in school. They only appear when you fail for the first time, when you look in the mirror and ask yourself, who am I in this vast world? Growing up isn't about age. It's the relentless journey of facing your true self, the silent fears, the half-hearted goals, and those days you live without knowing why. Each person, if brave enough to confront their life, must eventually learn the foundational lessons, like minimalist but powerful steps. Knowing what you truly want. Daring to believe in yourself amidst thousands of doubts. Understanding that giving has more value than receiving. Nurturing imagination as the soil where all possibilities grow. And connecting with others through harmony instead of selfishness. These are not lofty philosophies. They are a compass for anyone who wants to live with direction, depth, and meaning. No one can walk the path for you. But if you're ready, these lessons will become the compass that leads you out of confusion and into a brand new journey. Lesson 1. Purposeful thinking. Do you really know what you want? The disease of our time, living without knowing why. Millions wake up every morning, work endlessly, eat, sleep, like machines on autopilot. They live without knowing why they live. They give without knowing what they're giving to. Have you ever seen someone, 35 years old, with a job, a degree, a family, sitting alone in a coffee shop, staring blankly out the window and whispering, "I don't know what I'm doing with my life anymore"? Purposeful thinking, a definite chief aim, is not a luxury for the privileged. It is the only compass that can pull you out of confusion, chaos, and stagnation. Without a purpose, you will live according to others' expectations. And one day, you'll realize you've fulfilled someone else's dream, while never truly starting your own. Do you know how powerful a person who knows what they want can be? In 1905, a young man in America, no college degree, no money, no connections, had only one goal: to become a business partner of Thomas Edison. People laughed. Edison didn't even know he existed. But that young man, Edwin C. Barnes, told himself, "I will work with him, not for him. I will be his partner." He took a train to New Jersey, begged for a job as a janitor in Edison's lab. 5 years of sweeping floors, taking orders, never complaining, never giving up. Then one day, Edison needed someone to sell his new invention, the dictating machine. Everyone refused, except Barnes, who had quietly prepared for this very moment. The result? Barnes outsold everyone, and Edison declared, "Barnes didn't come to me as a beggar of opportunities. He came as a man who already saw himself as a partner, and that clarity made it real." A wake-up question. If you don't define your destination, where are you going? The world doesn't lack intelligence or effort. It lacks people who know why they live. You can start later, poorer, less educated. But if you have a burning, clear, and concrete goal, you possess what 90% of the world doesn't. A person with purpose not only knows where they're going, they turn the universe into their guide. You can start today. Place your hand on your heart and ask, what do I truly want? What makes me wake up each morning with burning eyes? Don't live like a rudderless boat in the ocean. Define your destination, and life will open the way, just as it once did for Barnes, for Ford, and maybe for you.